Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss some types of integration. We have to do that. So in that, first we have to discuss the type of the problem. The integral is of the form 1 by px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. How to evaluate these type of problems? Integral 1 by px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. To evaluate these type of problems, the value px plus q we have to consider as px plus q equal to 1 by t. After that, from that x value make as a subject. That means px equal to 1 by t minus q and x equal to, that p also can take this side, 1 by tp minus q by p, and get the value of dx also. Differentiate with respect to x. P into x derivative is 1 plus constant derivative q is equal to 0, and d by dx of, it is in the form of d by dx of 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. d by dt dx of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Again t differentiate with respect to x, dt by dx. But I want here only dx, no? So dx we can take this side and p value we are taking this side. dx equal to minus 1 by t square into p into dt. This is the value of dx. And wherever in this ax square plus bx plus c, x is there, you have to replace with this value and then integrate, and after that you have to apply the proper formula according to the step. You can do it. We will discuss the example based on this concept. Evaluate integral 1 by 1 minus x into under root of 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx. Now the question, evaluate 1 by integral 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx. First, according to the procedure, what we discuss now, put 1 minus x is equal to 1 by t. So after that x make as a subject. So minus x we can take this side. 1 minus 1 by t is equal to x. We got the value of x. After that, t value also we can make. From this 1 minus x and t, you should be interchange these values. T equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Now differentiate with respect to x, either for this one or this one, anyone you can do. Constant derivative 0 minus 1 by t. It is in the form of 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So d by dx of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square into t differentiate with respect to x, dt by dx, which is equal to d by dx of x is 1, cross multiply dx, that implies that 1 by t square minus into minus is plus, dt is equal to dx. Now in the given integral, wherever dx is there, you have to replace with this value. Wherever x is there, you have to replace with this 1 by 1 minus t. So consider the given integral 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx, which is equal to integral 1 by, in place of 1 minus x we have to write as 1 by t into under root of 3 minus 2x minus x square. So 3 minus, in place of x, 2 into, in place of x, 1 minus 1 by t minus x square, 1 minus 1 by t whole square into, in place of dx, you have to replace with 1 by t square into dt, which is equal to integral 1 by t into square root of 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 into 1 by t, 2 by t minus a minus b whole square expansion you have to write as well each and every term multiplying by minus. So we will get it as minus 1 minus 1 by t square and plus 2 by t into 1 by t square into dt. So here minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. The rest of the terms integral 1 by t into under root of 2 by t plus 2 by t is 4 by t minus 1 by t square into 1 by t square into dt, which is also equal to integral 1 by t under root of, here t square you have to take that LCM, t times will be cancelled, 4 into 2 40 minus t square get cancelled here 1 into 1 by t square into dt. After that, in the denominator of denominator, t square is there, now we can take outside of the integral, it will become as 1 by t. So this step will becomes integral 1 by t square root of 40 minus 1 divided by t square into 1 by t square into dt. So integral 1 by here t square you can take outside of the root, it will become as 1 more 1 by t now into root 40 minus 1 into 1 by t square into dt. 1 by t into 1 by t square. So we can cancel it here. Integral 1 by root 40 minus 1 into dt. Here only logic step. If we take f of t as 40 minus 1 whose derivative is 4. 4 is not there in the numerator. Let f of t equal to 40 minus 1, then f dash of t is equal to 4. But here 4 is not there. No. What I am doing is multiplying and dividing by 4 to get formula form. Now it is in the form of 1 by 4 into this is f dash of t divided by root f of t into dt. We know that integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is 2 root f of x. So, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 root f of t plus c, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, 1 by 2 into root of f of t is what here? 40 minus 1 plus c. But the question in terms of x is there. You have to give the answer also in terms of x. So, wherever t is there, you have to replace with 1 by 1 minus x, which is equal to 1 by 2 into square root of 4 into 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 plus c. 1 by 2 square root of 1 minus x is the LCM. 4 minus 1 plus x plus c. If you simplify 1 by 2 into square root of 3 plus x divided by 1 minus x plus c. So the answer for the given integral is integral 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 3 minus 2x minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2 square root of 3 plus x by 1 minus x into dx. The next model in this type only, same type. But both are linear functions are there. How to evaluate? Integral 1 by ax plus b into square root of px plus q into dx. How to evaluate? When the two functions which are in the denominator as well both are linear functions. To evaluate these type of problems, the under root value px plus q is equal to t square. After that, x make as a subject and then integrate and apply proper formula to get the answer. We will discuss the example for this. So, evaluate integral 1 by x plus 2 into square root of x plus 1 into dx. See here, according to this procedure, the under root value we can take as t square. So now put x plus 1 is equal to t square. That implies that t equal to square root of x plus 1. After that, differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of constant is 0. d by dx of t square 2t into t derivative with respect to x dt by dx. So now cross multiplying. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into dx is dx, which is equal to 2t dt. Now we got the value of dx as well under root value, x value also we will get it. From this, x plus 1 is equal to t square, x is equal to t square minus 1, but we want x plus 2, no? So now given integral you have to consider integral 1 by x plus 2 square root of x plus 1 into dx, which is equal to integral x plus 2, 1 by x plus 2, x value is t square minus 1 plus 2 under root of t square, x plus 1 is equal to t square we have assumed, no? Into dx equal to 2t dt. So which is equal to 2 constant we can take outside, integral 1 by t square plus 1 into root t square means t into t dt. Why? Because already 2 I have taken outside. So here t get cancelled. 2 into integral 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. It is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus 1, tan inverse x. So 2 into tan inverse of t plus c. So in place of t we have to assume that we have to write it root x plus 1. That is equal to 2 into tan inverse of root x plus 1 plus c. Similarly, you can do the practice problem. Evaluate integral 1 by x plus 5 into root x plus 4 into dx. Same procedure you have to follow and get the answer, dear students. Thank you, dear students, for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. In this channel, intermediate 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B and MSET and JA regarding videos also there. Please, you can watch, and if you like these videos, please do share and subscribe to your friends and you. Thank you very much for watching my channel.